Lights cut low, spectrum black. Every echo stripped of slack. No horizon, no escape. Just a room that learns to shape. Blackroom, hammer code engaged. Each strike tightens the cage. No melody to save your mind. Only impact sharp and blind. Impulse measured, force precise. Every hit a rolling vice. Air compresses, ribs align. Sound is law, not a sign. Lock the gate, count the blows. Let the pattern decompose. Blackroom, hammer code, strike and see repeat. Blackroom, hammer code, no rhythm left to cheat. Blackroom, hammer code, pressure stacked in frames. Blackroom, hammer code, impact writes the names. Bodies sway but never break. Each motion learned from the quake. Eyes adjust to pure constraint. Darkness drains what light can't paint. No relief, no appeal. Only what the hits reveal. Blackroom, hammer code, cage complete, system tight. Blackroom, hammer code, beats replace the light. Blackroom, hammer code, when the room forgets its size. Blackroom, hammer code, only force survives. When the hammer finally rests, the code stays active. Dark rooms remember.